now we're kind of at the point where we need to start branding our business, and we need to start getting content out to our clients. And we need good content out there that's going to allow people to take us seriously. I want to go over just some quick things with social media, real thing that you guys need to do as well. You need to find out who your competitors are. Okay. Who is out there that is similar to your business, that you can say that, you look up to this person. You want to find 3 to 5 people who you like their branding. You're like, man, they're doing amazing. I want to be just like them. Okay. One of the people is the credit dude. He's popular. A lot of people like him. He's big on social media. Look at the guy's branding. Okay. In almost every post, and this isn't maybe so common with him anymore, but if you go back to some of his older posts, pretty much every post that he has is reminding he is this brand. Okay. In the pictures, he's wearing his brand. He has his brand on. He's branding himself. All of these contents have his little avatar on. If you don't want to put your face, because you're like, look, I don't like taking pictures, I don't want my face on everything, come up with an avatar. Okay. Get an avatar that resembles you, because that's exactly what we're doing right now. We're in the process of branding our business, and we want people to take us serious. Now, he works with a lot of celebrities, and he's got celebrities that are wearing his brand. Okay. I don't know who this is, but she's probably some sort of, celebrity or something, but everybody is got his brand on. You know exactly what his brand is when you come to his profile. And also, you know exactly what he does by looking at his bio. Okay. When you go to my Instagram page, this is my business Instagram page. I have a personal Instagram page, but honestly, it's the same content from my business page. So all this content minus the videos, I do in Canva. All of this content is done in Canva. So when you come to my page, you see results. I have some value, free value, and I pick 3 topics that I want to talk about. And on those 3 topics, we'll go ahead and make content about that stuff. So you need to pick 3 topics. If you want to, give funny memes, you can do that. If you want to give value, like give facts or things that people should know about credit, you need to create content for that, right? Because you providing value, you providing information to people, they're going to remember you. They're going to come to you for more answers, because guess what? You help them. People always remember somebody who helped them. When you come to the page, you know exactly what we do. I put pretty much everything that I offer on my links, YouTube, my mentorship, my website, business funding. When someone comes to your social media pages and you present yourself as a reputable business, you got your branding down, you're looking good, people are going to trust you automatically without even talking to you. I never really talked to Wes before. I talked to him maybe one time before this mentorship, and he already trusted me. Why? Because I was established on social media. Okay. When someone comes to your social media page, they need to know exactly what you do very, very quickly before they move on to the next person. Because when they're on social media and they find you, they are looking for someone like you. They are looking for something. They are looking for credit repair. They are looking for Tradelines. They are looking for funding, because they, guess what? Tell them immediately what you do, how you can help them. Okay. In the bio, it needs to sum it up very quickly. The bio needs to give exactly what you do: personal business funding, personal credit, business credit, payment plans, Tradeline plug. Very quick, to the point, and direct, right? If you go to my link tree here, this link tree, they have a free version of Linktree. I think the paid version is like $6 a month, but they have a free one that you can use, affiliate link with like Identity IQ or Smart Credit, so people can sign up for credit reports. If you're going to offer Tradelines, you can have Tradelines on here. Any sort of value that you're going to give, a landing page or any other type of website, any sort of social presence that you have online, you want to put it in your link tree. I have other business owners that will contact me and say, hey, can you help me set up my link tree? Because they just don't know how to do it. And they come and they see this, and there's going to be a common denominator when you look at professionals on Instagram. Let's go ahead and look up Bobby Richardson. He's another popular, instantly I know what he does. He's got 23.7 thousand followers. I can trust him. I know that he's serious. Okay. Look at serial entrepreneur, master credit mentor and coach. When you go down his page, you can see exact branding with a cartoon character. Okay. He doesn't like to be on camera. I kind of know a little bit about him, but you can tell he doesn't really like to put his face on everything. But what he always has this like little cartoon guy. And that's what you guys need to do is brand all of your stuff. So if you put results up, brand it, put your logo on there, put your avatar on there, because you don't want people taking your stuff. You don't want people to be able to use your content and make it their own. Now, he's probably not the best at branding. He could do a lot better. If you're going to post and someone comes to your page, you want piece of content to show right there. You don't want to have to open it to read it. Okay. You want everything to look extremely neat, organized, branded, and good. He doesn't have like a lot of stuff. I go to his page sometimes and just take a look at it. So look, he's got himself a little avatar now. So look at his branding. Nice. Pretty much everything that he puts out is branded. Okay. He's got his colors. He's promoting this little avatar guy, clearly more recession proof. He doesn't have a lot of stuff anymore. He used to have a lot more content, but his logo is everywhere. When you see this logo, you know that it belongs to him. And that's what we're talking about branding. We want to get the logo. And today, we're actually going to be working a little bit in Canva, but I'm also going to do a logo contest. Say, for example, you're at the point where like, okay, I've got my business in the works. And now I'm at the point where I need to get a business logo because you want to be able to brand yourself. Now, you are personal brands, meaning people are going to do business with you because of who you are, not because you can do credit, because there is no shortage of credit repair agents out there. Okay, let's be clear on that. The reason why people are going to do business with you is because of the fact that they can get to know you, they can get to like you, and they can get to trust you. Know, like, and trust. These are the factors that people are looking for when they're looking for credit repair. Okay. They're also looking for results, right? So any sort of results that you get, any sort of social proof that you get, testimonials, those are all social proofs. Okay. See all these people? Most of these people have nothing to do with credit repair, but guess what? They repair credit. So it's really important for you to brand yourself accordingly because people want to know who they're doing business with. People want to do business with real people. People don't want to do business with people like this that all they can see is this content that has some stuff in there. There's no picture of who they're actually doing business with. That's not really who people do business with. They're not going to just go to a page and there's no pictures of who they're doing business with. People want to do business with personal page because she seems like she's branded well. Looks like she has some good content just based on this. Let's go to her page real fast. Looks like she does real estate. So I come to her page in 2 seconds. I know that she's a Pennsylvania realtor and I don't see that she does credit repair because everything on here is about real estate, right? So I don't know why she would have credit repair on here because I don't see anything else about credit repair, but this branding is good. Everything looks good. If I was looking to buy a home in Pennsylvania, got her website right here. She looks good. She's only got 897 followers. So that's a little low, but sometimes those people are some of the best ones to do business with because they don't have too many clients. People that have hundreds of thousands of followers have way too many clients. So let's do another one real fast and look up credit repair and see who's coming up in the searches. I suggest you guys follow a couple people who you say, hey, look, this person seems like they're very successful. I want to be successful like them and see what they're doing. Okay. Let's look at this gentleman right here because I like his flyer. A1 Credit Builders. Okay. So he's got 6,000 followers. When I go to his file, I know exactly that he is a credit consultant. He's an author and he services all 50 states. But look, A1 Credit Builders at gmail.com. Not cool. Okay. I don't like Gmail. I don't like Yahoo. It should be info@a1creditbuilders.com. Okay. We want to be different than our competitors. We do not want to have just a regular Gmail. We want to brand our business like a professional business, but you can also look at their website right here. I always check out everyone's website to get ideas and inspiration for your website but his branding looks good. He's got a picture of him in almost all of his branding pieces. You got to get on camera. You got to get a little uncomfortable. You have to show people who you are. You got to show people that they can get to know you, like you, and trust you. This guy's pictures in almost every one of his pieces of content. And he has some good content. Like, this is all good content. It looks good, except for this one. It doesn't fit within the box, because on Instagram, you have to make your content 1080 by 1080. If it goes any bigger than that, it will not show properly within the box here. Okay. So these are some examples of, good pieces of content.
Yes.
He's got high engagement. So this is that gentleman's website. He has his BBB accreditation on here. He's got some services. It's a good looking website. It's something that if I was looking for credit repair, I would probably buy into something like this. So this is some prime examples. He's got some testimonials right here, some reviews. This is his social proof. So it's a good looking website. And, to make question kind of short but sweet, he may use Canva. He may hire people to create his content. Either way, you can still use Canva.